The Samsung Galaxy A36 stands out as an exceptional choice for users who want a powerful, stylish, and affordable smartphone. Its sleek and slim design, measuring just 7.4 millimeters thick, offers a comfortable grip and a premium aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. The device boasts a stunning 6.64-inch Super AMOLED display with rich, vibrant colors and deep contrasts, delivering an immersive visual experience for watching videos, gaming, and browsing. The dynamic refresh rate, which can adjust up to 120 Hz, ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch, enhancing the overall usability. Under the hood, the Galaxy A36 is powered by a robust Snapdragon chipset, offering a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or running demanding apps, this smartphone handles it all with ease. It comes with generous memory and storage options, including up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which is expandable via a microSD card, ensuring ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The camera system is another highlight, featuring a versatile triple-lens setup. The 50MP primary sensor captures sharp and detailed photos, while the 8MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and group shots. A dedicated 5MP macro lens allows users to explore the finer details in close-up photography. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or experimenting with creative shots, the Galaxy A36 offers excellent versatility. Battery life is equally impressive, with a large capacity ensuring all-day usage without the need for frequent recharging. Durability is another strong point, with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protecting the display against scratches and minor drops. Additionally, the phone is expected to launch with the latest Android software, providing access to cutting-edge features, enhanced performance, and improved security right out of the box. All of these premium features come at an affordable price point, making the Samsung Galaxy A36 an outstanding value for money. It strikes a perfect balance between quality, performance, and cost, making it ideal for users who want the latest technology without breaking the bank. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking for a reliable and stylish upgrade, the Galaxy A36 is designed to meet your needs with its impressive blend of innovation and practicality.